Hi guys, welcome back to Powerup with Kaynee. Today, Evan and I are going to teach you how to make the most delicious, most decadent, low-carb, keto-friendly pancakes. There are endless possibilities to how you can garnish these pancakes. You can put strawberries on top, blueberries, raspberries. You can also make these into chocolate pancakes by integrating into your mixture some dark chocolate chips. These are just delicious. The ingredients are super basic. You likely already have all of these ingredients in your kitchen, so let's get started.
Yeah.
You're going to need a total of 4 dry ingredients and 4 wet ingredients. So we have them all laid out here, and I have a bowl to mix my dry ingredients and a bowl for the wet ingredients. So Evan, tell them what wet ingredients they're going to need.
1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1/4 cup of unsweet almond milk. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And 3 eggs. Then we're gonna mix the wet ingredients together. When you're done mixing, it should look like this.
Here's what you're going to need for the dry ingredients. You're going to need 1 cup and 1/4 of a cup of almond flour. You're also going to need 2 tablespoons of powdered monk fruit sweetener, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Now Evan's going to mix all of the dry ingredients together.
Now we're gonna mix the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. And then we're going to mix those really well.
When you're all done mixing your wet ingredients and your dry ingredients, your mixture will look like this. Now we're going to move over to our stove to cook our pancakes. Make sure that you put butter on the bottom of your pan, because remember, almond flour toasts or cooks a lot faster and is a lot more sensitive to heat than regular wheat flour. So if you put butter in there, then it won't stick and it won't burn.
And that's what you want.
I've melted about 1 tablespoon of butter in my pan, so the bottom is completely coated. I'm gonna give it one more mix with my whisk, and using my 1/3 cup measure, I'm going to scoop out exactly 1/3 of a cup of this mixture, and I'm going to put it in the pan. And if you're using 1/3 of a cup measure, this mixture will yield about 5 pancakes. I'm going to put it at a low to medium heat because we want to make sure that our almond flour doesn't burn. We want it to be golden brown. Your pancakes will cook more evenly and faster if you put a lid on your pan. When your pancake starts to bubble like this at the top, and the edges start to become more of a solid texture than a liquid texture, then you know it's time to turn it. Follow this exact recipe and you will get fluffy, decadent, semi-sweet, golden brown pancakes every single time. All right, my Powerup friends, that's it for this video. For more low-carb, keto-friendly recipes for grocery hauls, where I take you grocery shopping with me and I teach you what keto-friendly items to buy and how to read ingredients, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell icon, hit the like button, share my channel with family and friends who you know have embarked on a healthy eating journey.
Stay tuned. We're doing a Christmas cookie video next time. Bye until next time.
Bye.